Hello everybody, this is Chris with WCI Consulting. I'm going to quickly go through a quick video with the latest version of Microsoft Power BI Desktop and show you guys how to use longitude and latitude to create a visualization inside of Power BI. So first off, I have a spreadsheet that has some simple information, right? We've got a person, a zip code, some cities, states, country, and some latitude and longitudes, and some amounts so that we can actually sum those types of things up and show how we can visualize that inside of Power BI. So once I have a spreadsheet saved to a location, I can come in to Power BI and I first need to get data. And in this example, I'll use Excel. So I'll go to my desktop and I had this file here called lat and long right here. It's going to actually open it up, give me a visual of the data. I can select what information and what sheet I want. You can see here too, I've got latitude and longitude. I'll go ahead and load that information up. So as you can see, now we have the data available inside the application. One of the first things that you have to do is let Microsoft Power BI Desktop know what each area is, what the columns mean. As you can see here, this one's uncategorized, but we know it's latitude. And this one is uncategorized, and we want to use it as longitude. These are amounts, so we can actually say nothing here, that these are numbers. We could tell it it's a whole number. And if there's any type of manipulation of the data that we need to make in order to make it usable, we could do that in this as well. So next, we're going to come in and try and visualize this information. So we'll put on a map item first, and as you can see, I have a legend, location, latitude, longitude, and any values that I want to use. So inside of that, we're going to use amount first. It's going to know it's a value, and I'll use some, that's fine. Now I have to tell it what my latitude and longitude are, and you can see this little globe here that's actually representing that it's geographical information and the tool recognizes it as such. So I can bring down, drop in my latitude, bring down, drop in my longitude, and now I need to give it something to break on. So in this example, let's go ahead and use city. We'll break on that city. Oop. Now, you'll notice it at first, this kind of gives you a funky view. It's not really showing you anything. This is a common problem. What you actually need to do is if your data values are consistent, as they are here, I'm using a specific dot on the map for this state and city, I need to tell the tool that this is actually a minimum or a maximum. That will actually put it to where I'm using a single point on the map. As you can see there, once I've done that, I re-render, and now I have 2 dots in the Dallas Metroplex area. And so the size of the dots actually matter too on how much the values are. Now I can change my values from minimum, maximum, sum, average, those types of things, and you'll see that they're useful there. Now I can break, the location here is just on city. I could break this on anything. The tool just needs something to actually use to break the data up and to group it so that we understand who's what. So when I put a person in, you can see I see Joe has that much. When I put there, I have Sam, and in this one, I'll have John. Now if I change that from a person back to the city, take them out. Oh. Now you'll see when I do the hover over, I can see it by city. So in Plano, I have that, and in this one, I have this much as well. Now I took the values off accidentally, and I can put those back. Now I can see how much is actually in Plano versus how much is in Coppell. So that's a quick tutorial on how you put together latitude and longitude inside of Microsoft Power BI. Thank you.